Welcome to the Money Reset Hub. I am so happy that you have decided to join this community. My name is Imani and I am the founder. You have selected this community because, one, you were not taught financial literacy, they didn't teach that in school. Two, you are tired of living paycheck to paycheck. Three, you are drowning in debt. And four, your credit is not up to par. I know all of those situations are stressful, and that is why I created this community. You're going to learn how to budget with a personalized budget plan just for your situation and lifestyle. You're going to learn how to correct your credit report and your credit score so that you can buy the things that you want to buy and not have to use your cash. We'll talk about that a little bit more on another day. You're going to learn how to save not just for emergencies, but for the things that you've always aspired to purchase. This is the community for you. You're going to find that as you engage in this community, you'll build lifelong friendships. You'll be able to help others as others will be able to help you. And you'll have a great and loving support system sitting right here. You'll be able to ask questions, learn. I'm going to offer workshops and webinars so that you can learn how to prepare your own taxes so you're not paying $350 or more for somebody else to pay it. You're going to learn how to pay your bills on time so that you're not paying extra fees and extra interest. There's so many things that you're going to learn. But the first thing you're going to learn is how to change your mindset around money, because it starts there. And it requires a lot of discipline. Responsibility is key. We're going to work on that with you as well. Once you finish this 90-day blueprint that I will provide for you, you will have seen a transformation in your finances, and you can build upon that. We want to break generational curses. We want to make sure that you learn the financial education that you need so that you can pass it along to your children and loved ones. This is the goal for the Money Reset Hub. So once again, I am so grateful that you have decided to join this community. Let's go. You got this. So happy you're here. I'll see you in the comments and the live sessions.